Hi everybody, this is Zakir and I welcome all of you in this complete web development course. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about HTML language. Here we'll learn some basics of HTML, then we'll talk about HTML editors, and then we will install Visual Studio Code in our laptop. So let's get started. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, what is this hypertext and markup language? Hypertext means link between the web pages. If you observe in any website, there are many pages like About Us page, Home page, Contact page, and all these pages are linked with each other. So this linking between the web pages is called hypertext. Let's suppose you are on the home page of any website. Now you click on any tab which says About Us. Then there's another tab which says Privacy and Policy. You click on that. So this linking is nothing but a hypertext. As I already told you in the starting of this course, a website is nothing but a collection of web pages. So this collection of web pages is called the hypertext. Now what is this markup language? Markup language is a text between the tags. I know most of the people might don't know what tags are. We'll talk about the tags in the upcoming videos. For now, you only remember that the text between the tags which defines the structure is a markup language. HTML defines the look of the web page and how to display content with the help of elements. We'll discuss later about what an element is. Right now, you don't need to worry about what an element is and what a tag is. In short, we can say that HTML defines the structure of our web page. So this is the very basic introduction about HTML. Now we are going to write an HTML code. For that we need any text editor. Yes, it is right, we can also write an HTML code in a notepad, but to make our work easy, we use an alternate text editor. In this whole course, we are going to use Visual Studio Code, or you can say VS Code. Although there are lots of text editors like Atom, Sublime Text, but anyway, we are going to use VS Code. So let's install VS Code in your laptop. Alright guys, so for downloading the VS Code, just open your browser and type in the search bar download Visual Studio Code and hit enter. Now click on this link and it will take you to this page. Now here you have to choose the appropriate file according to your operating system. I am using Windows, so I will select this file. Now as you can see here, our downloading is started. Once it is done, a pop-up window will open in front of you. Now here click on I accept and then click on next. Here it says why you want to install your VS Code. You can select a different location by clicking on browse. It's up to you. Once it is done, click on next. Then it says select some additional tasks. I will select them all and click on next. Now click on install and wait for some time. So that's it, our VS Code is successfully installed on our operating system. In the same way, you can install VS Code on your Linux or Mac operating systems. So that's it for today, see you very soon.